My question is, what if... Hurry up. Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl China K and welcome to another episode of the On My Mind series. It's about 5:30 a.m. here in Halfway Tree, Kingston, Jamaica, and in the next couple of hours and for the next couple of days, there's gonna be hundreds of Jamaicans lining the streets with them flag and them pot cover, watching and celebrating our athletes run on this big screen behind me. Now, you know how Jamaican people stay already, them super supportive of our athletes and just super proud, right? Now the question is, will they feel the same way if Usain Bolt doesn't bring home the gold? Or if Shelly and Fraser come second, God forbid, or something like that? Will Jamaicans still be supportive of our athletes, or will they be mad? I'm gonna talk to some people to find out exactly that. So stick and stay, free girl China K, and I'm about to get run over by a bus. Stick and stay!
If they don't perform well, knowing the high standard that Jamaica have, I won't feel happy. Right? I will feel sad, I will feel cut up from inside. You know, knowing that they take things for granted and they become lackadaisic. So guess what? Perform well, you let me happy. Perform bad, I'm gonna sad, I'm gonna feel depressed, and I'm not gonna support. Feel knowing that they can do better.
Jamaica, me saying Jamaica, me born. Me don't know nowhere else. So anything from Jamaica, Jamaica we say whether football, cricket, running make it worse. How we? No other for the country. Me support all my girl Ali over there. For real. Cause Jamaica we say.
Yes man, we can't mad at them. Them is great. Them is great, you know, so we respect them to the max. Cause they do them best and them try them really best to make it impossible. Yes man, because them is greatest, you know, especially Bolt. Him is the greatest in the world, the fastest, you know, we can ever see. Yes, him is great, so we respect them. Respect the whole of the athletes, them, whether they bring home gold or medal, we respect them same way. Because me couldn't go over there and go do that, you know. No, me couldn't go over there and go do that. So I respect them to the max. Respect all of the athletes, them, because them big up Jamaica over here and over there, over the whole country. Them big up Jamaica. Make Jamaica flag fly high, 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 high. Yes, man. So we respect them.
I'll support Jamaica 100%. It doesn't matter how much they place. But I know the men and women in the track, they are going to do well.
No matter what, win, lose, or draw, at Jamaica we say. And we're not dash our country, and we run for nowhere. At Jamaica we say to the world. Ball to the world.
I will still be supportive because our athletes need the support. If you cheer them down, they won't want to do better another time. So we have to be there with them, just show them the love. You understand? They try their best and then run them hard. I believe in every one of them.
No, I wouldn't be. I would still support them. Because at the end of the day, we are Jamaicans. We will be disappointed, but we still will support them.
No, reason why I would not feel mad, I wouldn't mad at them because remember from way back when at least America steal us a lot of gold. So now we are trying to prove it to them so that they cannot stop us. So they are doing so good and they make us proud right through the years. So if it's one time now that they fail us, we shouldn't get mad at them because every man has a second chance. And if we now, Bolt and the rest of the teams and Shelly, we are proud of you and our thumbs are all up for you.
I wouldn't really upset if athletes lose or anything like that. I wouldn't do that, you know. I would just support them 100% and things like that, you know. You must have a winner, you must have a loser, so you have to just accept it. And they do the best, that's good for me.
Well, you see right now, you see if the Jamaican people them perform good, bad, we are Jamaicans still, you know, so we have to hold up our head and say Jamaica same way, you see it?
Athletes from Jamaica, we should be very proud. We're not always being winners, but if we get a silver or a bronze and not a gold, we still should support our athletes because a nation that stays together is supposed to pray together. So let's pray one and all for them all.
People, Jamaica act like fire. I swear it is right next to the sun. But anywho, as you can see, most Jamaicans say that they would support our athletes. You know, Jamaica full of pride, so obviously we should expect nothing but the best. And I know what I'm just looking at the TV in an Halfway Tree, pot down or something. Made have to find one establishment and run going there so we can see the Bolt heat race. Which obviously he came number 1. But stick and stay to the Olympics so you could be able to see our Jamaicans take over that whole event series. And stick and stay to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend. Peace!